Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a super helpful hack for restoring any content in your Canvas course. So chances are maybe you're building something, you accidentally delete it, or you realize after the fact that there is something helpful on that page, assignment, or resource that you deleted, and you want to restore it. Thankfully, in Canvas, it does autosave a lot of things most of the time. So there is a super easy way that you can restore something if you accidentally delete it or realize after the fact that you need to recover it. Just note that this will not work if you have recently cleared cache and cookies in your course or if it's been weeks and weeks and weeks since you've deleted this item. But it should work for things over a significant amount of time. So the example that I'm going to show you are things that I deleted about 2-3 weeks ago, and I can still recover them. So to do this, you'll need to go to the course that you want to restore the item within. And I need to be in the home page for that course. So elementary users, that's going to be on your page where you have that banner across the top. That's a little bit of a bigger picture. My secondary users, it's going to look a little bit like this. And if you don't see that menu, it just might be hidden over here. So what I'm going to do is I have to be on the homepage to do this. And at the very top of my URL, which you should be able to see here on my screen, there's a series of numbers here after the courses and the slash. This is my unique course ID, and every Canvas course has that. So you just need to get to a page where that is really the home page, where that's the last part of your URL. And then what we're going to do is type in a slash and then undelete. All right, and when I do that, it opens this page in my course where I can restore some of these items that I have accidentally deleted or I want to utilize. So here are just a couple of different pages and things that I've built out. Lots of different resources here so I can restore them as needed. And then whenever I restore those, I can go back into my course, and depending on what it was, like this was a module, this was a page, I can go to my modules page or my pages to find that item once more. The other thing that you can do is if you delete something, technically you can also go back to your course files and see if you can restore it there. But this little hack here with the undelete button is really your best friend. So that is a helpful hack for you as a teacher if you accidentally delete something and need it back. And stay tuned for more updates.